In this video, you'll learn how to create a custom meeting template in Mixmax. You can use custom meeting templates to quickly schedule everything from coffee meetings to product demos. With each unique meeting template, you can specify the duration, availability, title, and location of the meeting. To create a custom meeting template, head to your Meeting Templates page and click on the New Template button. This will open up a blank meeting template. Make sure to give it a unique name by editing the placeholder in the top bar. Let's say, for example, you're creating a shared meeting to schedule on behalf of your rep or AE. Next, navigate to Default Event Details. These event details will be displayed in the meeting confirmation window and in the Mixmax invitation emails that go out to you and your recipients. They'll also be inserted into your Google Calendar event. They include meeting title, location, calendar to schedule on, and meeting description. Since these are client-facing, make sure that you use variables to personalize the meeting even more. You can add a location here, or if you're integrated with Zoom, you can simply toggle on this Zoom conference call. Next, scroll down to Fields, and this is where you can ask guests to provide certain information. It's a great way to ask for phone numbers, preferred locations, website links, and anything else that might be helpful going into this call. You can make these responses optional or required. Underneath this link section is where you can change the URL of your meeting if you want to make it a bit more specific than what you see here. And you can also change the page title of the landing page where people will go to book time with you. In Set Your Availability, you can set the meeting duration, so let's keep this at 30 minutes. And because this is a rolling or evergreen calendar, you can also select with this date range how soon and how far in advance people can book time with you. If you'd like to have same-day meetings, we'll go ahead and make this a 0. By default, you'll be available in whatever time zone your Google Calendar is in, Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. You can edit these and add different blocks of time as necessary. Under Options, you can offer time slots every 15 minutes versus the default of 30. You can also add a buffer time here. I typically do about 15 minutes. And this ensures that both before and after your meeting, you're going to have a 15-minute window to prep and follow up. Now let's say you're booking on behalf of an AE, or it's a shared calendar link with an AE. You can use Prevent Double Booking and Default Guests to ensure that this both shows up on their calendar and is looking and taking their availability into account. So let's go ahead and add my AE Grace here, and they'll automatically be added to the Prevent Double Booking section. And finally, under our automation, you can elect to send a scheduled message at some time before your meeting just to remind the attendees that they do have this meeting coming up with you. I pretty much always recommend having this on just to remind recipients that you do have this meeting. And if you're doing same-day meetings, you may want to say, hey, I actually want to do this maybe 30 minutes before the meeting. We do have some default text here. Feel free to change this. And when everything looks good, go ahead and hit Save Changes, and you're done.